I've just arrived on site the day after we laid the resin, and I've got to say, I am super pleased with the finish. Not only does it look brilliant, it is solid. It really has exceeded my expectations. Now, it's been raining all night, and it's very, very wet now to touch. It's still raining now, in fact. But I'm going to do the water challenge with it, because I'm led to believe no matter how much water you pour on this, it's permeable. It'll just go right the way through, literally within seconds. So this bucket is probably about 60 litres of water. Here goes. It's in, it's all running that way because the fall goes that way. 6 seconds and it's completely gone through that full bucket of water. That is brilliant. Now that doesn't feel any wetter than over here where it's been raining on, of course. That is brilliant.